Samsung users, One UI 7 has finally arrived, and I'm going to talk you through some of its features. First up, as you can see, you've got a whole new look and feel. You've got new app icons, you've got new colors. You can even go into a home screen folder and you can now expand it. Now, one major new feature for One UI 7 is this new Now bar on your lock screen. Now, it's this little icon that gives you quick access to important information that's on your phone without having to unlock it. So you can interact with your music, so you can skip it from there, you can even tap it to expand it and just swipe it away, and you can even go to things like your timer, and then you can interact with it there, or click on it to open it straight up into your phone. Now, they've also changed what happens when you swipe down from the top. So if you do it from the right, you get to your quick access panel, which again has had a beautiful new redesign, new layout. You can even expand your quick settings quite quickly and easily. Looks lovely. But they've separated how you access your notifications. So now you can just swipe down from anywhere in the middle of the screen and you get access to your notifications really quickly and easily. They've also now got AI features within notifications. So what AI will do, it will create a hierarchy of your priority notifications. So if you've got messages from your mother, who is an important person in your life, it will learn that over time and it will prioritize those messages on top of your notifications. You now have an AI browser assistant for web pages. So what you can do, you can now copy certain text on a web page. And as you can see now, you get this little icon for your AI just there. You can select that and you get a bunch of new options. So if you're copying web pages to a PDF, for example, you can go in and make sure the spelling and grammar is all up to date. You can also change the writing style for the web page. And again, you can swipe across and choose the style that you want to copy from. Or you could summarize or just simply make bullet points of that web page using the power of AI. Just like that. It's super easy peasy. There's a bunch of other things that I could talk about. There's new chat assist features. There's 20 new languages in Translate. You've got recorded phone calls on the way. One UI 7 is going to turn your phone into an AI absolute powerhouse. So if you want to go check out the beta version, go to the Samsung's member and then you can download the beta version of One UI 7. Go and check it out. It is absolutely awesome.